Alright, we're gonna be playing Obby, but you're a word. Anyways, let's play because I'm bored. Oh, two. Oh, wait, no, no. Don't mind that. I definitely haven't played this game before, and I'm just lying to you. Yeah, no, definitely. Definitely not. Oh. Nice. Do we go up here? I wanna. We cannot. Where do we go? Where does we go? Nobody knows. Boing, boing, boing. Maybe we shouldn't, like, stand in the fire and become a roasted chicken. I'm not quite a fan of those. Not because I'm a vegan or anything. Ah, yes. Our first spawn point. Let's just pretend I got that. Even though you all saw that I clearly didn't. I didn't. But, you know, let's just pretend. Mushroom! Lily pad, lily pad, lily pad, lily pad, lily pad, lily pad, lily pad. House, house, house. Where are we supposed to go? That way? You sure? How'd you even get over there? My brother. What? Are you sure? Are you sure? I'm not entirely sure he's sure, so. Where do we go? Where does it go? Where does one go? Where does one go? Where does one go when it is not found? No. Of course I don't want to add Obby, but you're a bird to my favorites. Okay, anyways, I figured it out. Alright, and this obviously faked, spawn checkpoint? What is it called? A beaver? I don't know. What is that? Whee! Also, guys, if you're like, people who have watched my, funeral plus drawing in Brookhaven, which I have obviously edited before, obviously privated before I even post this, I sincerely will never be eating in my videos again. That is the main reason why I'm never eating in my videos again. Or the main reason why I'm privating it. You know, it's Hot Pocket. I mean, not Hot Pockets. Pizza rolls are a mess. And I'll probably just, if I ever do, which no, I won't. I guess, call me out for it, but you know. Also, I just wanted to say thank you for 10 subscribers. That's really nice. I'm really happy. I will be doing something special, just not at the current moment, so you can just hold your horses. We gotta wait for the celebration video. Do I have anything else to talk about? I don't think so. What happened to this poor house? Why is there even a house in a cave? What? Nothing in this game makes sense. Why are we a bird? Why is there a house over there? Why are all the houses destroyed? Did we destroy them? Are we avenging our lost ducks? Where are we? No. I love the little squawk they do. Squawk they do. Shake, skip, except it's squawk. Yeah. We go here. Spinning clouds. Ooh! They make a pretty sound when you step on them. Yeah, what happened to these houses? These poor houses. What happened? And what are these landforms? What is going on? Nothing makes. Why is there a gate here? Oh, it's a bench. Beautiful. Anyways. White potato? Oh my goodness, I just saw it. That could have been so helpful earlier. Whee! Man, being a duck is so fun. You can just do obbies. King Duck Oh my goodness. I thought that said kill Duck Shrine. Please be respectful. Okay, I will. Bow. You saw that? I was respectful. Oh! There's a party. I see. I see. I hear it's getting windy here. Ladder. I almost just went like, you know what? No. And then just jumped off. Imagine I actually did that. I was just like, you know what? Bye. I will not do that. Don't worry. Boing. Oh. Oh my goodness. Yummy. This section is really long. Good luck. Oh, thanks. I'm probably gonna really need your luck. Because this looks... Ooh, cake. Is that cake? I don't know. Chicken. Do. Long jump. 100 points. I got 100 points. What if you just didn't land on it? Would you get 0 points, or would you just die? I feel like you would just die. Like, God did not accept that and then just murdered you. I don't know. Probably not. He wouldn't do that. I don't think so. Well, I'm glad I got 100 points. Because 100 points, that's good. That's good. It's like a low gravity game, except you jump really fast and then fall really slow. It's cool. Hi. Oh yay, we're back in outs. What? We're back in the outside. Oh no. Ooh. Watch your step there, buddy. Yay, we did it! No! Special summon fog? Oh no. I am now not what I used to be. What do you hear? Oh, okay. I understand. I am calm. I am wind. Just like this goes with the wind, and so do I. I'm just kidding, I'm not calm. What did you expect? I mean, rude. I want to get up there. Dang it. I don't think we're supposed to go there. Are we? Where are we supposed to go? Up. You're supposed to go up. That's not helpful. Is it on the side? No. Oh, there we go. It's just with a little bit of practice, you can do it. Yup. I'm spitting out inspirational quotes. Unfinished light post. Oh no. No. No, how dare you? Hey, I did it. I did it. Well, that's not helpful. That was so close. Oh my goodness. King Duck's party ahead. Yes. Yes. Yes, Queen. Oh. I was like, where would it go? I thought I was gonna die for a second. Oh, I hear the party. Hey. Hold on. Sashi dance. Uh-oh. King Duck's crown is missing. Ooh, we should play this next time. Next video. If this video gets a lot of views, I want you guys to comment, at least one of you to comment with like an die idea for the celebration video for 10 subscribers. I bet one of you will do that, you know? Yeah. Alright, thanks. Which one of you does it? Thanks. Climb the tree. Whee! Where are we going? Oh no. Where are we going? I don't know. Oh, I think I'm figuring it out. Egg. Just egg. Oh, that's a big egg. Yup. That's a one big egg you got there, sir. My good sir. Alright, find it? Yup, we did. Okay, good. Good, I was lost for like a good plenty, like 20 minutes. If you can't tell I'm being sarcastic, that was definitely not 20 minutes. We have not done an entire hour of this. Are there so many eggs? You know, that's a good question that I don't have the answer to currently, so sorry. There we go. Gotta use my master parkour pro skills to get past that one. Oh. That's how. Really, my brother? Really, my brother? Why would you do this? Why do you make me suffer? I'm just kidding. I'm not suffering. Definitely not. Yeah. Okay, so you gotta go here and then be really careful of the spikes. Because it has taken us like 37 minutes to do this. No. Okay, that was a really close one. No. I just died. Did you see that? They just killed me. There we go. No. Oh. Dang it. Alright. I think I'm gonna leave it here. I hope you guys all enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye!